Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make a bootable drive on your PC so that you can use it. Now if you want to format the system, let's assume you want to format, you have Windows 7, you want to format it, you need an operating system in your flash. You just don't copy the file into the flash. If the flash is not bootable, then you need to make the flash bootable before putting those files inside that we use in formatting. So the first step to make your bootable drive, all you need to do is to open your command prompt. So I'm going to press Window R. So when you press Window R like this, all you need to do is type CMD because we need to open our command prompt as an administrator. Then you press Enter. Now we actually have opened it as an administrator, or better still, you come and press Window X. You see, come down here and type command CMD. Okay, this is command prompt. Then you right click on it, or you come down here, open as an administrator. Then you press confirm. So that's all. Now, so first thing we need to do is to type disk. Let me increase the screen. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so that you can get more value from this video. I'll be creating more videos related to this on how to do stuff, affiliate marketing, digital marketing. So thank you. If you have not subscribed, subscribe now and click on the notification bell. So back to it. So you're going to type disk parts, enter. So you can see it brings the name of our computer and we are inside the disk part. You can see it right here. So now we're inside disk parts. What we need to do is first of all is to list the disk so that we know the disk we're going to format. So I'm going to do list disk. Now currently we have one disk, which is my external hard drive. I'm using 1 terabyte. I have 2 terabytes flash with me that I want to format to bootable. Now I'll just connect the flash in. So it's connected. So I'll just do lists. So you can see this was inside. Let me close this. I'll do list disk. So you can see we have 2 flash drive here now. We have the 1 terabyte and the 2 terabyte flash. Now for us to format, we need to select the flash we want to format. So all you need to do is to write select disk. Now what's the name of the disk? You can see we have disk 0. We have disk 0 here and we have disk 1 here. So I'm going to write disk 1 because I want to format the disk 1, not the disk 0, because that one is our external storage. So be careful when doing this. If you are not sure which one is which, you just have to remove the flash or the hard drive, whichever thing you want to format to make bootable. Then you write disk list. You see the available disks before putting it back. Then confirm which is which before formatting. So I'll do disk select, which is 1. I'm sure it's disk 1 because I know the size and I know it's disk 1. Now the next thing you need to do is we need to clean. So I'll just write clean. So wait for it. It's currently processing. If you see this beep, so you can see disk part successfully succeed in cleaning the disk. So the next thing I need to do now is to create a partition. So say create partition. Create partition. I did a mistake there. So what I'm supposed to do should be create partition. Partition primary. So we'll create our primary partition, successful. Then what we need to do next is to select the primary partition. Select partition 1. As you can see, partition 1 is now selected, so just follow along. I'm going to write the command below and how to go about it in the comment section, so if you lost, you can just follow the steps. So after creating our select our partition, what we need to do is to format fx equals to the file format, which is ntfs, then quick, so that will be fast. So you can see it's writing 0% completed, so it's kind of processing. When it gets to 100, that means it's true. So if you have not subscribed, why the formatting takes place, let me just encourage us to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please, if you have not subscribed, I would really appreciate it. Subscribe, share this video with your friends, and click on the like button, smash the subscription button. So let me just, sorry, I'm trying to move the cursor up. So you can see it's writing 0% completed. So I'm going to forward the video. I'm going to pause this video now. So as soon as the formatting takes place, I will proceed with the next steps. So I have some steps to go before we can have a bootable flash. So we can see so after coming back, this will get the partition disk path successfully formatted volume. So our flash is being formatted so far. So all we need to do is to write active. As you can see, it's been marked, this part has been marked active. Then the next thing we need to do is to exit, and that's it. So if you have not, let me show you the flash drive. So you can see it's brand new and it's ready for bootable. So it's now bootable. All you need to do is to copy your file inside and you start formatting your system. If you want me to make video on how to format your system with Flash, Windows 8, Windows 7, Windows 11, I'm currently using Windows 11 2023 version, January 2023 version. So if you want me to show you how to do that and how to get them done, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know your opinion about this video. Thank you for watching.